Let's take a look at the first question type, multiple choice. In the second box, the question type box with the drop down, click and make sure you have selected multiple choice. In the box below, this is where you're going to type your question. This is the rich content editor, so remember you can change font size, color, you can add links, pictures, audio, and you can even click the options menu at the end to find more things you can do in the rich content editor. I'm going to type my text, and since this is a quiz I'm creating for students who are not able to read yet or maybe struggling readers, I'm going to also add audio. To add audio, I'm going to click the Record Upload Media button. I'm going to upload record media. Since I do not already have my media recorded, I will click record, and then I can start recording. We strongly encourage you to add audio to all of your questions and answer choices. Not only is this a benefit to students who cannot read, it's also a benefit to struggling readers, and it's also a benefit for students who might need this accommodation on their IEP. Now I want to add an image to go with this as well. So I'm going to click and I'm going to upload an image. It's not an image that I have that I'm going to get from anywhere else, so I'm going to click the upload image option. And I'm going to choose my banana. Remember, anytime you add images, you need to make sure to include alt text. This helps screen readers read the images for students who might be visually impaired. I'm going to resize my banana because it's way too big, and now my question's ready to go. Now that we have created our question, we need to add our answer choices. If you will notice, the very first answer choice says correct answer. If I have told Canvas to shuffle my answer choices on the details page, all I simply have to do is type the correct answer at the top, and Canvas will shuffle answer choices for each quiz. If I did not select the option to have Canvas shuffle my answer choices, I will have to come down and select which one is going to be the correct answer choice. All you do is when you see the green arrow, click on it, and now the third answer choice is going to be the correct answer. In these other boxes, I'm going to type in possible answers. Now, I need to add audio and images to each of these options so that my students can choose the correct answer. To do that, when I hover on top of one of my answer choices, I can see that there is a pencil and a trash can. If I totally want to get rid of a question, I can click the trash can, and then my students would have 3 different options to choose from instead of 4. I'm going to go ahead and do that on my last option choice. So now my students see the options for 3 different answer choices. Right next to the trash can, there is the pencil. When I click the pencil, I will be giving the rich content editor. So now I can simply add my image to my question. I do not want to forget, I need to make sure that I add alt text so students using screen readers will be able to take this test. I'm going to resize it because it's way too big. And I'm also going to take the word out because I do not want my students answering because they see the letter in the word. After I've added the image, I also want to remember that I need to record my voice telling students what this image is. So I'm going to click the Record Upload Media button, and once again I'm going to record via Canvas this answer choice. Now that I have added my audio recording, I am now finished with this possible answer choice. To save what you have done, you must click the word Done in the bottom right corner. Now that I have added audio to all of my answer choices, let's look at feedback. If you look, you will notice under each possible answer choice, there is a red rectangle or a green rectangle. I can give feedback for each answer choice. So this feedback, if students chose apple, I could give feedback saying apple starts with A. Then I could give feedback that says caterpillar starts with C. If you look under the butterfly, you will notice a green rectangle. This is because this answer choice is the correct answer. So I could give feedback that says, correct, butterfly starts with B. At the very bottom, you will notice a green rectangle, a red rectangle, and then a bluish-gray rectangle. If I don't want to give specific feedback based upon answer choices, I can use these three rectangles to give general feedback. Every time the student gets the answer correct, I use the green one. If the student gets the answer incorrect, I could use the red one. And then this bluish-gray one is just to enter general comments that you might leave for the student for feedback. Most of the time, you're going to use the green rectangle or the red rectangle. I'm going to give feedback for the correct answer, so I'm going to click the green rectangle. When I click the green rectangle, it's my rich content editor again. I can change my font size and everything. I can give links, I can give pictures. So I'm just going to add a picture here that I have on my computer. That says great job. I need to remember I need to add alt text. And now I have great job here. Lastly, I want to remember to add my recording so my students know they did a good job on this question. Now that I've added my audio for my correct answer comment, I can click Done. Now I have my quiz with my answer choices, and then I also have a comment if the students choose the correct answer. I would want to repeat the steps for incorrect answers as well. I can add more answer choices if I want to by clicking the add another answer link in the bottom right. But I'm finished, so the last thing I need to do is click update question. This really should be save question, as if you do not click update question, your question will be lost. Very important, once you are finished with your question, click update question. Now I have a quiz with one question in it. That is multiple choice.